Making money online? Yeah. Okay. Nice try with the scam, buddy. I get this type of comment on the internet all the time where people think that it is literally impossible to make money on the internet. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's a bunch of nonsense. My name is Brendan Sawyer from Marketapreneur, and I have been able to create a full-time income by simply selling other people's products on the internet. Now, I'm not going to pitch you this great new business opportunity that you need to jump on. Instead, I'm going to illustrate to you a simple concept that can make you commissions on the internet simply by selling other people's products. And then I'm going to show you how I turned it into a business. And then by the end of the video, there's going to be another step that you can take to start to do the same thing. So stick with me and let's get into the video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm basically going to show you guys the simple concept that I have used to create a full-time income on the internet without creating a product, fulfilling orders, taking payments, dealing with customer service, none of that. Okay, and that simple concept is called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, in its simplest terms, is basically just selling other people's products online and making commissions for doing so. Okay, so if we head over to Google right here and I search for affiliate programs, and it puts weight loss. So say we go affiliate programs for weight loss, right? Here's a blog that's going to show me the 12 best affiliate programs for weight loss. If I just go for affiliate programs in general, as you can see, there's a ton of programs that I can join. 105 best affiliate programs, high paying for beginners. So almost all of these programs are free, and when you join, you are given a specific link that is unique to you. And when you share that link with people and they click on it and buy that product through your link, you make a commission. Now, these commissions can range from 5 or 10% all the way up to 75%, I've seen in some cases. So, basically what I want to do is I want to illustrate to you guys how this works and how you can get started with affiliate marketing and maybe even eventually replace your 9-to-5 job. Alright, so if we head over to YouTube, and basically what I've done is I've clicked on an affiliate marketing video, and it's Chad Bartlett's video, but that's irrelevant. I'm just trying to prove a point here, right? So I'm not even going to watch the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head down to his description where he has a ton of links. And if we go down here, you can see that he's trying to tell us to grab a 14-day free trial to Builderall, which is an all-in-one marketing software. I personally don't use it, but I'm just going to use this to illustrate my point. So if we click on this link, what it's going to do is it's going to take me to Builderall. And basically what this is if I go and sign up for this trial, I decide I like it, and I start paying the monthly fee to use Builderall, Chad is going to get a percentage of what I pay Builderall every month. And that's what affiliate marketing is. So when you type in something like affiliate marketing course review, and there's all these reviews, right? Like a ton of people reviewing a ton of stuff. Now you can start to understand the motives behind why they're doing this. Because when somebody is looking for a review of something and they happen to scroll down and click whatever they click, such as the Brambilla Method review, or however you say that, and once they click on this video, they watch it, they decide they want to join this course, and they go down into the description and they click the link that this channel is giving them, and they buy the course. Whoever owns this channel is going to be paid for that sale of that product. Okay, so that's how affiliate marketing works. And anybody who's interested in making money online is going to want to take advantage of this method. So now we're going to look at the business model, right? Because you understand how affiliate marketing works. You understand how all these content creators are making money and monetizing their YouTube videos, their Instagram accounts, their TikTok accounts, their blogs, their Pinterest accounts, whatever it is. And this is the model that will make you successful. I have another video where I break down this model and I build it step by step, so that will appear in the top right corner if you want to go and check that video out. But I recommend you finish this one because, again, I'm going to give you guys an action that you can take if you want to start to learn this business. Because just getting an affiliate link and sharing it is not going to make you a full-time income. It's when we combine that with a simple 2-page website and email marketing that we get a business. And if that confuses you, don't worry, I'm going to break that down for you as well. So now that you're aware of this, you're going to start to see this all over the internet. So many people, especially content creators on major platforms and social media, use affiliate marketing to monetize their content on top of on YouTube, for example, where you can get ad revenue and they're making a killing. So start to look out for this system, and now real quick I'm going to show you this system in action, and then I'm going to tell you how you can actually learn to build this system for yourself and start to take advantage of the incredible opportunity that is affiliate marketing. So now what I want to do is I want to show you this model in action. So this is John Crestani in one of his YouTube videos. If you don't know who John Crestani is, he's a very big, successful affiliate marketer. So basically I've gone to one of his videos that are a little older, and I'm going to scroll down to the description and I'm going to show you how this works. And you can actually become an affiliate of his course on clickbank.com, but that's not the point. The point is, if we scroll down to his description, and right here you can see it says, learn my 3-step system for making money online. And I click this link. What it's going to do is it's going to take me to the landing page. And when I click right here where it says click here to attend now, a window is going to pop up and ask me for my name and my email. As you can see, the window pops up and it's telling me to secure my spot for his webinar. So when I put in my name and email, it's going to add me to a list, and I'm going to start getting emails from John, and then it's going to take me to the second page where I am sold on something. And for us affiliate marketers, that second page is where we put maybe a video explaining our affiliate offer, and then we put our affiliate link on either one or multiple buttons on that page. So now not only are we selling an affiliate product, but we are also capturing emails so that we can follow up with that person later, whether they buy or not. And this is the secret of affiliate marketing, and that's how this model works. So if this is something that interests you, the first thing you're going to want to do is smash that like button and subscribe to this channel, because this is pretty much all I talk about. And then the second thing you're going to want to do, and you're going to have to take action if you want to take advantage of this system, is in the description or the pinned comment. There's going to be a link to the website winwithbs.com, and that's where you're going to go to learn all the mechanics of affiliate marketing and how to set up this model. That's the next step. So if this is for you and you know that you want to take advantage of this and eventually replace your full-time income with affiliate marketing and online business that you can eventually set up and automate to practically run while you're sleeping, then you need to go down to the description or the pinned comment, and you need to click the link and go to winwithbs.com and learn the framework of how we set up this business. So that is it, guys. That's how you make money online. The easiest and most simple way. I hope a lot of you decide to take action and go to winwithbs.com, which is going to be in the description and the pinned comment, and start your own online business. My name is Brendan Sawyer from Marketerpreneur. Thank you so much for spending a couple minutes of your time with me today. I really appreciate it more than you'll ever know. Make sure you smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for everything making money online, specifically making money online with affiliate marketing. And that's all I got for you guys today. I hope to see you soon. I'm out.